right, super excited. I'm actually pretty stoked about this. This is from a company called TACKFORM. Not sponsored or anything like that. Not at all. I think one of the things that definitely adds, or is a good idea to add to any vehicle, is a proper cell phone mount. The Bronco being accessory ready and with the option to mount things onto the dash. I wanted to see what options there were for not only incorporating a phone mount, but also incorporating GoPro mount, maybe even a tablet mount, or even multiple phone mounts or CV antenna, whatever. I'm excited to get it, again, from TACKFORM. Oh, packaging's pretty cool. Oh, nice, guys. This is actually pretty slick. I'm really impressed with all of the packaging. So this is pretty neat. All right, let's have a look in here. That's kind of cool. Might use that bag for something else, repurpose it. All right, so in the kit, we have the brackets. So essentially this mounts to the dash where your accessory mount hole is located. So it includes all the hardware, threads into that little bracket there, or into that fitting, which is perfect. Mine does not have the USB on the dash because mine's a base model. However, those of you who've got the higher trim levels, really convenient to have the USB there. So this basically mounts to the dash. And yeah, pretty neat. Comes with the hardware, which is pretty awesome. Oh, slick. It even comes with some 3M double-sided tape. Presumably to stick it down. I mean, obviously, you can probably stick it down if you want to or not. Up to you. Oh man, this is really nice. This is a nice piece of machined aluminum. Hardware looks really good. Nice good quality there. As you can see, it comes with some double-sided tape, presumably to, like I said, to help stick it to the dash. Not sure if I would use it or not, but I'm assuming this is going to be really helpful if, for instance, you're putting on some really heavy items that are, putting a little bit of a load onto this. Nevertheless, you've got that. You've got the hardware that comes with the kit there. And then your accessory mounts. So these are separate from the track itself. So you purchase the track and then you purchase whichever accessories you want to your needs. So I opted obviously for a cell phone mount. Oh, very neat. Awesome. Comes with nice color instructions. Thank you guys. This is awesome. Nothing worse than going online. Look, I know that we all have access to going online and getting instructions, but it's really nice when retailers or manufacturers include the instructions. What you've got here is similar to like a ram mount design. Just basically uses a pivot sort of deal here. So now they do offer these arms with anodized color options. I just opted for the black because that's fine with me. But yeah, so there's the arm there. And then your one pivot mount. Basically, as you can see, it's got like a little slide. It just basically slides into the track. There you are. Slide that in the rack like so. And then again, this actually can be positioned anywhere you want, so you can slide it around. You essentially put one side. So once you kind of determine where you want it on the rack, you then tighten it with the supplied wrenches. Tighten that up there. Again, kind of move this around wherever you want. And then once you have it positioned where you would like it, obviously once you've installed it in your Bronco, then you get the other side of it. And this is really, really nice. This is made out of machined aluminum as well, which really slick, spring loaded. Same idea. You basically anyway, the thing I like about this pillow ball style mount is that it just leaves for so much adjustment, so you can really articulate everything the way you want. But anyways, you get the idea here. So spring loaded, it has little rubber isolators in the mount here, which is super handy, you know, for vibration. Some people have a case, some people don't have a case. It's just nice to kind of mount that there. And then beneath all of this, I did get the optional GoPro or camera mounts. I have a GoPro, maybe you have an Insta360, whatever the case may be. My understanding is it works with both. Same idea, but just a smaller version than this for a GoPro or your action cam of your choice. A mini version of this Ram style, this kind of like mount setup here. Really cool. I'm gonna get this installed in my truck, and then we're gonna come right back and you're gonna see the installed and finished product. One thing I wanna note too, is if you have a look here, you'll see that they've actually got a charge cable clip here. So this is a rubber mount, and it's got two positions on it, or two slots in it, where you can literally run your charge cable. So that's super, super convenient. So you don't have cables all dangling all over the place. I have to admit, really liking the look of this. You know, really worth it when you consider what like some decent suction style cup mounts, cell phone mounts will cost you these days. This is really nice because this adds just a ton of adaptability. So you can add to this. They have all sorts of different accessory mounts and arms and everything available. So again, you could load this guy up. You can have your phone, you can have another phone, you can have a tablet, you can have your action cam. The fact that you have more than one option with this one simple rail design. So having something like this that you can actually position your accessories down low where they're kind of like level to the dash just opens up that sight line. Awesome product. I'm really excited to get this installed in the Bronco. Thank you, TACKFORM. I might have said TrackForm, but TACKFORM. Thank you, TACKFORM, for making a wonderful product. And I will post a link in the description below to where you can find this product.
All right, we're in the Bronco. We are going to get this installed. So as it sits, it's just kind of there in place. Wanted to see how it fits in. Very well engineered product. So they include the supplied hex hardware. Basically, it's got a nice little tapered slot there. And that will mount into the accessory ready mounting location. Now, the one thing you will notice is they include these 3M adhesive stick-on pads here. Now, I think this is kind of optional if you really want to. I've never been a big fan of sticking onto plastics here, but I do think that by using the adhesive stick-on pads, it's going to eliminate probably a lot of vibration. My guess is that this one screw is not going to be sufficient to stop this from maybe rattling, which is why they've included the adhesive pads. That's my guess. I don't know. Anyways, so you're going to want to, they include a bunch of hardware here. I took off the accessory pieces just so I can fit it better. I have brought down an alcoholic wipe. This way I can wipe down the dash. I am going to stick on the adhesive pads there. And in the hardware pack, so they include all of these little hex Allen wrenches, which is amazing. I'm just going to probably toss those in my Bronco hardware kit, so I've always got them. There are various sizes for different hex screws. This one is the most common. This is going to be used to adjust these guys. However, if you do get the optional action cam mount, you do get this like this little one here. And this actually goes in the adjustment knob on the side here. Because I test fitted this with my GoPro, and this piece is aluminum. So what happens is when you go to clamp this down, you're basically just trying to bend aluminum using the thumb dial here, and you're just not getting enough leverage. So I found my GoPro was kind of flopping around a little bit, and I was like, that's weird. So by using this hex head, or this hex wrench that comes here, doing this one-handed, guys, sorry, it does slide in there, and you can use it for additional leverage to tighten that down better for your GoPro. Anyways, this is the guy that you're going to use, this hex screw that's got the taper. That's what you're going to use to install it to the dash. And then it does come with this another threaded hex stud. Now, there is an alternate spot on here right here that you can thread this guy into place. And now you have an additional accessory spot where you can thread on some other items. But in any event, it's there as an option. I'm going to leave it out for the time being. However, kind of cool that they include that as well. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to put this into place. Now, when threading this guy in, I'm not going to put any Loctite. Normally, I would put a little dab of blue just because vibration, whatever. However, if you notice this little threaded piece on the dash here in the accessory ready spot, it's just a threaded nut in plastic. And I don't want to really get that locked in with Loctite to the point where, I don't know, blue Loctite's pretty good. It should come out. But I'm going to try this first without any Loctite. If I find this loosens up over time, maybe I'll just put a dab, put it in there. After all, you're putting the adhesive stickers. If you don't really plan on removing it, there's really no issues. So let's get this installed and we'll see what it looks like. All right, guys. Well, there you have it. The TACKFORM Bronco accessory ready kit is installed, and man, that looks sharp. It's nice and sleek, low profile, stays out of the way. I've got my GoPro mounted here. I plan on hitting a little trail near my place today. And like I said, if you use the little thumb wheel here to tighten the GoPro, it's not going to really clamp it down enough. So definitely use the accessory wrench they include. Pop it in there and then you just snug it down there. And yeah, as you can see, amazing. I really like this product. The phone holder, fantastic. It holds my iPhone 14 Pro Max perfectly in there. I will admit the phone sits a little taller than I would like it to, but I'm not using this all the time. I'm probably just going to use this for like when I use Onyx off-road or something like that. But in any event, most of the time my phone just sits down on the center console there. But man, is this product looking cool. I really like it. I love that the GoPro just sits up here and it's out of the way. I can swivel it if I want to point it at myself, for instance. And yeah, if I plan on just taking out the GoPro, I'll just unlatch it from this guy here and leave the chassis in place and not really have to take it out. Pop that and boom, I can just leave that there. Yeah, cool. Overall, real happy. Awesome product.